Oh yes, especially if you can ditch the kit lens and get you one of those wide aperture 1.8, 1.4, 1.2 f-stop camera lens. Oh, beautiful. It gives your video that out of focus bokeh effect where the foreground is really clear, the background is blurry. Kind of isolates what your eyes can perceive on the video to the foreground and the person there. It is so beautiful. Yes, you need a digital single lens reflective camera. Oh god, they are beautiful. It takes your video from here to here. Someone is looking at your video and they can't understand. They kind of have the feeling that this is a professional video, and meanwhile it's just the camera and the lens. These are beautiful. Expensive but beautiful. Definitely no. See, the truth of the matter is that smartphones like this have come a long way. It's not like the phones we used to know like 5 years ago. These days it is common to see high definition videos being shot on a smartphone, right? Smartphones can do 720p, 1080p, and these are high definition. You have smartphone now that can do 4K and even 8K at stunning frames per second. You have some that can shoot up to 60, 100, 240 frames per second. So when you slow it down, you have that buttery slow motion that people love. For you to have that cinematic effect. So smartphones have come a long way. If you have the standard common smartphone, you can make do with that because most of them can shoot 720p and 1080p, and that's basically all you need because people want to see a clear video, and that's clear enough. When you get into 4K, 8K video, the market that utilizes 4K and 8K videos is small for you to bother as a startup. Now, some people have smart televisions that can show in 4K, some people have smart television that can show in 8K, but most mobile device, which 70% of users on YouTube use, don't have 8K or 4K display on them. So even if you shoot 8K or 4K video, it will still display in 720 or 1080p. So shooting your video in 720 or 1080p is standard these days. Until you grow, you make more money, then you can afford to get gadgets that can shoot in 4K and 8K. Alright, now to prove the point that you can actually start your YouTube channel with a standard phone, shoot HD pictures, edit it on your phone and upload on YouTube, we made a video about the top 5 tips you need to know before you start YouTube. Have a look at this. Today we are going to discuss 5 most important tips you need to know about if you're going to start a YouTube channel. My name is Pascal Okwara. This is Top 10 Nigeria, and you are on the front row seat. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, mic 1. Testing, mic 2. Testing, video 1. Testing, video 2. Yeah! 5 most important tips you need to know about the starting a YouTube channel. from the phone. And there you have it. Now, one of the things you need to do if you are starting with a smartphone is to shoot in front of your window, or you shoot outdoor. Take a seat, go outside, shoot outdoor, go to a park. Just arrange your script and shoot. Just be free with it. Most people that would start on their smartphone are beginners, and that means you haven't still started any money from YouTube, because we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can get on the partnership program and start making money. So if you can shoot in front of your window and use the daylight is beautiful. Is nature's gift to a videographer, especially in the mornings and in the evenings. The evenings golden out. Oh, it's beautiful. It lights up everywhere. But avoid shooting in the afternoon where the sun is directly on top of you, cast a lot of shadow under your eyes and under your jaws. Another thing starting with your phone does for you is that it eliminates procrastination from your plans. A lot of people have tall list of excuses why they won't do one project or the other. It kills time. It makes you have regrets. I wish I started this thing last year. I was about to do this. It just kills it. Work with the tools you already have. You don't have to have big tools before you start a project. However, the most important thing you need to be bothering about is not the camera or equipment that you're going to use. What you should be bothering about is the content and your style of delivery. What content are you good at? What content do you have passion for? That's the number one question I ask most of my fans that ask me, I don't know what to put out on YouTube. What are you passionate about? When you were a kid, what did you really love doing? Whatever it is, it's fun. YouTube is a place where you can find serious content or fun. And if you check, most fun videos gather more views than serious content. So it depends on what you love most. Just do that, because the passion you have for that you love will get you through the period where you won't be any money. And most of your viewers will understand when you are passionate about something, the way you talk about it, the way you demonstrate, the way you bring ideas. It's different from someone who is pushed into that. Maybe I employed somebody to deliver these talks and the person doesn't really like it. It will be evident. So find that which you are passionate about. Now, even if it is a skill that you haven't even learned, you can start a series on learning that skill. Your experiences, what you happened the day you started, and all that. So your content and your style of delivery is what you need to pay attention to, not even the equipment that you need. Because I believe strongly that with just your camera, you would be able to start a YouTube channel, video, edit, upload on your phone. And we proved that point. That's what we do at Top 10 Nigeria. Top 10 Nigeria is primarily a business development tool. All we do here is find ways to either save you money or make you money, and some fun videos here and there in order to lighten the mood. A lot of people don't like too serious things. So when we do this research, we talk to people on ground, we interview local businesses around you, we talk to YouTubers if we are talking of the YouTube content, and get their view and then post it. If that is the kind of content you like hearing about, you need to do this. Raise your index finger like this, bend it forward like this. Now, you see that red subscribe button there? Press on it. Yeah. And the bell notification beside it. Alright. Subscription to this channel is free. All you need to have is a Gmail account, because YouTube requires that to verify that you are human. And at the same time, we send you email notifications when I post that video. So consider subscribing to this channel. As a follow-up to this video, I intend to drop another video if I can get 200 likes on this video. The follow-up video is do-it-yourself home studio setup. Basic items, nothing professional. Basic items, as well as the cost of those items. So by the time you finish watching the video, you know generally that if you have this kind of money, that you should be able to set up a home studio with basic items, do it yourself, and it will come off looking professional. So those are the kind of things that we do on Top 10 Nigeria, and we intend to give you more and more and more. In the comment section, you need to let me know what you feel about starting a YouTube channel with just your phone. And also, I want you to answer this question, because I keep thinking about it. Like, do you think YouTube business is a credible business for the foreseeable future? Like, do you think that it is possible to do a YouTube business and it will sustain you in the near future? That's it for this video. My name is Pascal Okwara. This is Top 10 Nigeria, and I'm out.